As part of the Navy Museum Bake-Off, we have been challenged by the Naval Undersea Museum. They gave us the recipe of baked bananas. All you have to do is peel the bananas, put them in tin foil, add a little butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar. Grill for 4 or 5 minutes and it's done. We're gonna get a little fancy today and try some also with chocolate and chopped nuts. All right, let's get grilling.
Alright, so here is my take on baked bananas with a flambe twist. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells amazing with the brown sugar bourbon we used, as well as the cinnamon and the bananas and all the caramel as well.
Now it's time to flambe. We're using a brown sugar bourbon from a local distillery. You can use rum, whiskey, whatever you have on hand. One thing to keep in mind is that put the alcohol in off the heat, and we're going to use the gas burner to light it. You can use a long match or a flambe torch, just whatever you have on hand that is safe. Put it in.
It's about done.
So I know that some of my PSNM colleagues have been trying out variations of baked banana recipe as well. So I hope that you enjoy all the videos we'll be posting this week. All right, take care, stay safe.